Hey everybody, it's Chris here. Another update on the layout. So today I got some cork glued down as well as some of the track. From that switch on down is not glued down. Tomorrow I'm going to take up the streets and the track and glue down the cork from the bottom. And then I'm going to finish putting together the rest of my streets. There'll be a lot of cutting pieces to make them fit, but in the end I'll make it work and I'll make it look good too. Then I can attach the tracks and put it all down permanently. But as you can see right here, I've got track down, plenty of soda cans weighing down the track. What I have here is I got a track that's going from there, and it's going to run back there. That's going to be the Norfolk Southern main line. It's going to be a dead track. I might even make it my programming track, which I teach myself how to use the separate programming track if I ever learn how to program. I'm sure I can figure it out. I just got to study. But this track coming out here is going to come here. I'm actually going to build the layout even more, like from where the back of that building is. It's going to come out another 6 inches. And I'm going to put either I'm going to do a lumber yard here or move my propane dealership. I'm not quite sure yet. Over here, and I have not gotten nor this switch actually glued down, because I'm going to go ahead and take joiners and solder feeders, because I know I'm going to need them over here. But this will eventually come over here, and I should say I'm going to have the Norfolk Southern Main go back and follow that back track like it's disappearing, put the bridge that I had back there the way I had it. I got to finish getting all the scenery and stuff up over here, completely remove all the streets and all this. Nothing that a sander and a low grit sanding sander will do. Excuse me. That sandpaper. Excuse me. I cannot talk tonight. You know, this is my third time trying to take this video. I keep getting tongue-tied. And so, whatever. If I get tongue-tied, screw it. Anyway, so, but it's going to be a small interchange yard here for Norfolk Southern, which will go eventually back that way, and we'll be up there where that computer screen is right now. I'm going to buy a big computer screen, so it's not going to be up there, but more on that in the future. But slowly, a little bit at a time. Maybe sometime in mid-November, I can at least get this part wired up, and I can do test runs where I can run a train from the closet to here, just to say I can have trains running again. Anyway, so I just figured I'd show you while I'm coming. Like I said, I'm going to get the rest of that started down there in the next couple of days, get the cork glued, get the streets finished, cut, detailed, all that. Still won't put the buildings down permanently because there's so much details I got to do, and I'm going to have to move the buildings anyway, because eventually once I finish redoing this backdrop, there's gaps. I'm going to get wood. I have wood putty. I'm either going to use wood putty, which is paintable, or I'm going to use some drywall filler, and I'm going to fill the holes. And I'm either going to repaint it another color or paint it the same color. I'm not quite sure. I don't know. I think that blue's kind of too dark. But I digress. So anyway, well, I just figured I'd take a video to show you I've been working and taking a break from painting. So yeah. Alright. Happy model railroading, everybody. Peace out. Ooh, a rainbow.